uba coming imbon ula job Arsin nakaseng Indian National Congress but Arsin nakaseng National People's Party napo Karalyang Assembly Constituency. House name Arzar pra uba coming one imbon ula job nakaseng Indian National Congress kumba kal Arajar news pa Sanbunri Woods but uba wan ba uday uba misalan suciang nakaseng United Democratic Party. House name Arzar Kadlai uba coming one imbon ula job yang nagseng Indian National Congress kumba kat wayajar arspa nyopo arwoods but ubawan ba aruday uba Constant Sunga nagseng United Democratic Party. House name Arzar kat pra uba coming one imbon ula stang ban join lang bat kaseng National People's Party but hakani kapor ula yo kumba kat arajar chispa arpo kondai woods but ka total percentage kabalong 10.10%. Ubawan ba aruday uba lakon biam nagaseng Bharatiya Janata Party. House name Arjar arpulay uba coming one umbon ula job yang nagaseng National People's Party but ula yo kumba kanlay hajan rius pa arpun rewards total percentage kaba uyo kalong 5.10%. Ubawan ba aruday ujo kurtong uba lakon biam nagaseng Bharatiya Janata Party.